There's a reason Allah told us to pray not once or twice or even 3 times, but 5 times a day. What is that doing? It's making us focus on Allah. It's shifting our focus away from whatever work we happen to be doing at the moment, whatever problem we happen to be in. You see, no matter what your situation is, you still need to turn and pray. You know what that means? Do you know what that does? It means that you're at work, you leave your work and you focus on Allah. It means you're at the mall, you leave that sale and you focus on Allah. You're on your laptop, you're on your phone, you leave that phone, you leave that laptop, you leave that Facebook, you leave that meeting, you leave that class, whatever it is, and you focus on Allah. Allah's training us to focus on Him and not on whatever it is that we're doing in the dunya.